In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve and pop colors in Pixlr using a super simple workflow that can make your photos look instantly more vibrant and professional. If you've ever opened an image and felt like the colors looked flat, dull, or washed out, this quick Pixlr method can help bring your photo to life in just a few clicks. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the main Pixlr website. Once the page loads, look for Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor. This is the version you want because it gives you more control over editing and color enhancement. Click on Pixlr E to launch the editor. When Pixlr E opens, the next step is to import your photo. On the editor screen, click Open Image and then choose the photo you want to edit from your computer. You can use a portrait, landscape, product photo, or any image that needs better color. Once your image loads into the workspace, you're ready for the color boost. Now comes the easiest part. At the top of the editor, find the adjustment menu in the navigation bar. Click on it and then look for Auto Pop. This feature is designed to automatically enhance the colors in your image and make them look richer, brighter, and more dynamic without needing to manually adjust every setting. As soon as you click Auto Pop, Pixlr will apply the effect to your photo. Take a moment to compare the result. You should notice that the colors look more lively and the image has more visual impact. This is especially useful if your photo looks a little flat straight out of the camera, or if you want a quicker edit without digging into advanced settings like saturation, contrast, or vibrance. Auto Pop gives you a fast and easy way to improve the overall look of your image. If the effect looks good, you're almost finished. The last step is to save your edited photo. Go to the File menu or the Save option in Pixlr and export your image in the format you want. Choose the best quality settings available for your needs, then download it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully improved and popped the colors in Pixlr. This is a great trick for beginners and a really fast way to make your photos stand out more, especially when you need polished results without a lot of editing time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.